I'm Andrew. I'm a director of sales. I started using numbers and recently switched to Microsoft Excel. And for more reviews like this, please click below. In terms of the use on a daily basis, both products basically allow us the ability to manage our data all in one complete area. It's very easy to upload different data, export different data, obviously sort through and customize the data, really saving a lot of number crunching on the back end. Microsoft Excel is best for anybody who is looking for an all-in-one product to assist with any sort of data management for a large amount of data. It's very easy to filter, sort, create different custom templates, run different algorithms to be able to spit out useful data for you to better your business on the backside. Numbers is great at being able to import large amounts of, say, lists from different groups of individuals, different cohorts, different tiers, things of that nature, to be able to put it all into one concrete document, to be able to sort, filter, and hopefully use to your advantage. Both softwares were very easy to download. With Excel, there are a few different product choices there in terms of the Microsoft Office, so it was a little bit more costly than Numbers, which obviously came with the computer there. But in the end, we felt that it was worth the extra investment there, and it was very easy to download both and get both up and running. When it comes to the top considerations for dealing with this software, for us, it was really ease of use and then sort of the cost basis. For both products, we felt that we were getting a little bit more out of Excel than we were with Numbers. There's a little bit more customization that can go into it, and the ease of use was a little bit easier. So for us, at the end of the day, Excel was an easy decision to make.